And I just realized this is my iPhone, so I can't actually flip the actual camera around. So let's just take some coins around. I'll try and make these less than 15 minutes. And there's actually quite a few coins. So this one here, this is an Iranian 10 real, 1339, so I think it's 1960s or 70s. And as you can see, the die crack there. So this was issued under the kingdom. If you look on the back, we have the coat of arms of Iran. So this one's probably worth at least $10 to $20. It's not a common coin. So if you want to buy Iranian coins on eBay, you'd have to put in real. You can't actually look under Iran because it's just really stupid actually. Yeah, so that's a good find there. Then we have the previous issue of, so this is Indonesia, Katura Raja, so I think it's a type of parakeet. Probably a black cockatoo. And is that doubling? Let's have a zoom in. So a good thing about cameras these days, so zooming, you don't need to actually buy another camera. 2005, and these were replaced in 2016 with a pretty terrible coin series. So this is pretty much one of the better coin series in Indonesia. Once again, if I don't say the value, it's worth $1 or less. Okay, then we have a Dutch Netherlands 1955 5 cent. And this one is coin rotation. Doliana, yeah. Then we have a weird denomination, a Soviet 15 Kopek for 1961. First year of issue. And so these ones, it depends on the date. Some dates are low mint. And SSSR down the bottom, not CCCP. Then we have the last coins issued for circulation, Vietnam, 200 dong, 2003. So these are issued between 2003 and 2004. So this is nickel plated steel. Doesn't circulate. They use banknotes now. So it's just banknote country. Okay, Thai. So this one is 1996. $1 commemorative series, commemorating I think it's 50 years of Rama the Ninth, he being king. Now it looks like this one is doubled. Yeah, you can see the writing has doubled. So that's an error coin, or maybe it's just a normal coin, but I've never noticed. So I'll need to look that up. So if that is doubled, then that's a good error find. I do have a pretty much an uncirculated coin somewhere, so I'll need to test it. So that's a good one to keep. Next coin is a Czechoslovakia 50 hello. This one's from 1965. Yeah, probably not worth much money unless it's a low mint. Then we have a Turkish 10 kudos. So this is these ones have been demonetized in 2009. But you know, at the time this was worth about 10 cents. Now it's worth about 1 cent. Exchange rate, yeah, but if you want to buy, it's probably $1. Okay, this is a 10 foreign from Hungary. Yes, 1972, large copper nickel coin. Where's that nickel? Can't remember, one of those two. And you know, worth about $2 to $3. So that is good. And here's another Hungarian coin. So this is the smaller current 10 foreign. Worth exchange rate is about 5 cents. So 2004. There's the big one. This has the coat of arms. And Magyar is the name of the country, but I don't know how to pronounce it. BP is Budapest, not British Petroleum. And so these are the same denomination, just different years, different coins. Okay, 10 franc. So this is a nickel coin from 1976, equivalent to $1 exchange rate. But you know, probably $1 to $2 if you want to buy one. Very common. And these used to be a silver coin. Then we have, nice coin from New Zealand. So 20 cent coin with a Kiwi. Yeah, pretty much worth about $1 or so. 1988. You can sometimes find these in circulation in Australia. And then we have a Fijian 1 penny. King George VI, so what date is that? 1949. Yeah, probably in between 100 and 500,000 minted. I would say guessing probably 250,000. That's usually the mintage of these coins. Probably worth about $5 to $10. Malaysian 1 cent. These have been withdrawn from circulation. Not really that much value. It's copper plated steel. And here's a drum. Boom, 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 boom. 1994. And here's a sixpence of Fiji. So we have the penny, we have the sixpence, pretty much uncirculated, 1953. It's the first year of Elizabeth II. Yeah, so that one's probably worth about $5 to $10 as well. These are all pretty low mint, but there isn't a high demand for them in the collector's market because it's smaller. Oh, I don't think I have this coin. 25 Heru from Czechoslovakia again. It goes with this 50. And as you can see, it's a large aluminium. This is a bronze coin. 62, 65. And you do get low mints for Czech coins, so maybe those two can go into the collection. I'm not too sure. I need to check it again because I just forget. Okay, 50 Grossi from Poland, 1949. Don't think I have that coin. This is pretty high grade. EF, almost uncirculated. Still, it's only worth about probably $5 in high grade. Should be a high mint coin. Next one we have is a Hong Kong 5 cent, looks like. Yep, 1977. So these were withdrawn from circulation in 1980. And this one just has the reeded, not the security reeded. So it doesn't have the indentation in the side. And we have up the top. Okay, let's get a pointer. So this is in the style of the cash coins. So we have Hong Kong 5 cent, 5 cent. So when they issued the cash coins, they had the emperor's name up top, bottom, and usually Tong Bao, Yuan Bao there. Sometimes they went that way from top, then right, then bottom, then left. So Hong Kong followed that tradition until 1993. And here we have a, oh sorry, that one's probably worth about $1. A Yugoslav 5 dinar. This is 1953. Not worth much in that condition. Then, oh, another Hungarian coin, 2 forint, demonetised in 2008. This is a copper nickel, 2 forint. And as you can see, coin metal rotation to 1999. And another one from Romania, 1 Bani. So this is a current coin. You could probably spend this. It's probably worth about a third of a cent. 2014. Then we have another New Zealand coin. So this has the carving of the Maori, I think it's a Maori god. So here's the 2 20-cent coins that they use in New Zealand. So this is the current design. They changed the Kiwi to the $1. And as you can see, pretty much 99 is the most common year for the actual, I forget what they call it. Anyway, the carving of the Maori. It's actually quite nice. So the next coin, yeah, I like this design from India. This is a 10 paisa, 1975, but in this condition, not really worth much. Okay, another coin from Russia, a 10 rubles, 92. This one, as you can see, security reading, so it has the line. And I don't think I've got this coin, so it's going in the collection. Probably only worth about $1. And here we have a inflation coin from Turkey, so 1,000 lira. By 1995, this was out of circulation because inflation. 8 its value. So this is a brass coin, and has Kemal Ataturk, worth about $1. Oh, this is nice. 1936, United States of America. What country is it? It's not a US coin, it's too big. And they never issue coins with that coat of arms on it. It is a Philippines 1 cent. Although it's a bit damaged, it's probably worth at least $5. And I don't have this coin, so I'm not going to sell it. And the coin I do like is this one. So this is an Indonesian 5 rupiah. And that is dated 1979. Oh, 10 rupiah, sorry. 5 rupiah smaller. And I don't have that coin. Oh, no, actually I have quite a few. So worth about $2 to $3. And another Yugoslav coin, 1953, 2 dinar. And this one's in pretty good condition. Usually these are in pretty poor condition, like the other coin that we saw before. If I can find it, here it is. So usually you get them in that condition, but sometimes you can get them almost uncirculated. This is probably EF, although it's a bit damaged. Then we have another Russian coin. So it's a bit different than the 10 rubles that we saw before. This is a 2 rubles current coin worth about 2,000 of these rubles. And this one is dated 2016. So it has the actual coat of arms of Russia. This one just has the coat of arms of the Bank of Russia. So it's a bit different. This is adopted from the Russian Empire. Thanks, Vlad. So Bank Russi. I don't know what that reads at the top. I need to actually look it up, but I don't have that coin. Anyway, okay, so here is another Turkish coin. This is a current 1 lira. When these were issued in 2009, as you can see the date, they're worth about $1. But current exchange rate's about 10 cents. So inflation is destroying the Turkish economy pretty much. Yeah, and worth probably less than $1. Okay, here we have a Thailand coin. So this is 1950s, 25 satang, worth about $1 in that condition, 2500. That's the Buddhist date. Then we have another Yugoslav coin, 1 dinar, 1984, made out of aluminium, bronze, or brass. Sorry, this is aluminium bronze. This is probably brass. Not worth that much money. Aluminium bronze coin from Iceland. So Iceland is the name of the country. One krona. This one's from 1973. 1975 they reduced the size of the coins to roughly about this size of this Polish coin, and also have aluminium. This is a Grossi, so from Poland. So this is probably worth about $2 to $3, and this one's probably worth about $1 to $2. 1949, but I don't think I got that coin. Then we have another Indonesian coin, 1994, 25 rupiah with some fruit. So it's quite a common coin. Okay, next one is a 1974 Mexico 5 centavos. And I like the beautiful eagle attacking the snake in its beak, sitting on a cactus. It's a pretty tough eagle. The last coin I don't think I have, because I think I sold it ages ago. It's a 2 lira from Italy, 1974, for Roma. This is olives. That's an olive tree there. Chinese are going, no, not olive. I've only ever met one Chinese person that eats olives. My wife likes to throw them at me. And this one has a bee. Beautiful bee. I think it's a bumblebee. And as you can see on the legs, it does have the pollen, which it converts into honey. Actually, yeah, you don't want to know how to make honey, because if you like to eat from it, then please eat it. Thank you. Anyway, so out of these ones, I'll probably keep this lot here. And most of the other ones, oh no, need to put that in there as well. So I don't have that coin. And here maybe that Hong Kong coin. And the rest probably go back and sell them in a country specific lot. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it was informative. and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.